in today's session we are going to learn how to construct a triangle when the sum of two sides is given. Chapter number 11, construction for class 9th. So its first question is, construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 7 centimeter, angle B is 75 degree and AB plus AC is 13 centimeter. So here for constructing the triangle, one line segment BC 7 centimeter is given. So we draw the line segment BC is 7 centimeter. At point B, angle B is given 75 degree. So let construct the angle at point B is 70 degree. For constructing the angle of 75 degree by using the compass, we have to construct the angle of 90 degree, and between the 90 degree and 60 degree angle we have to bisect it, so we get the 15 degree. So 60 plus 15 we get 75 degree. So let us understand how to construct this. Draw a semicircle using compass with any radius. So this is the semicircle drawn of any radius using the compass. This semicircle intersect the line segment BC at a point. Let it is Q. Now, without disturbing the opening of compass, place the pointer at point Q of the compass and cut the semicircle. Let we get another intersection point of the arc and the semicircle is Y. Again, without disturbing the opening of the compass, place the pointer at point Y and again cut the arc on the semicircle. So we get the intersection point is Z. Now this Z and Y, between these 2 points, this portion we have to bisect, as we know that from Q to Y, this is the part which is the 60 degree angle, and the point Z from Y, this again 60 degree angle. So this 60 degree angle between this arc Z and Y we have to bisect, so we get 30 degree. So then 60 plus 30 becomes 90 degree. So without disturbing the opening, no. Now we have to bisect the ZY, so we have to adjust the compass for the length of arc, this one ZY. Now bisecting this, we have to take the opening of the compass more than half of this portion ZY. So by taking the more than half of the part of ZY, place the pointer at point Z and Y respectively. We get the two arcs intersect each other at a point, let it is N. Now this point N we have to join with the point B, so we get the 90 degree angle. Now as we know that this Y and Q, this part is of 60 degree. Now remaining this portion which intersect the perpendicular bisector and the semicircle, let this is the point. So this portion is 30 degrees. Again we have to bisect this. So we get half of this portion is 15 degree. So 60 plus 15 is 75 degree. So let open the compass more than half of this part and place the pointer at these 2 points Y and this point. Cut the 2 arcs intersecting at point M. Now this point M we join with point B, so we get a ray BX which forms angle 75 degree at point B. Here we get the angle CBX is 75 degree. Now next is given in the problem AB plus AC, that means sum of two sides is 13 degree. Now open the compass and adjust it for the 13 centimeter. So open the compass, measure the opening of the compass 13 centimeter with B as a center, cut the arc intersecting ray BX at a point P. Now this point to the point B, this distance is of 13 centimeter. Now this point P and C we have to join, and then we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this line segment PC. So let's draw the perpendicular bisector of this PC. As we know that how to draw the perpendicular bisector, open the compass, more than half of the given line segment, cut the two pair of arcs with P and C as a center on the upside of this line segment PC and the downside of this line segment PC. So open the compass, take the more than half of the radius of this line segment PC, cut the arc with P as a center, upside and downside of the line segment PC. Similarly, place the pointer at point C, cut the arc which intersect the previous drawn arcs at 2 points. Now here this we get the 2 point of intersection of arcs. We join these 2 points, which is the perpendicular line segment. Which is the perpendicular to the line segment PC. So now this perpendicular line of the line segment PC intersect this ray BX at a point, as we observe here. This is the intersection point of the perpendicular bisector and ray BX. Let give the name, and this is the third vertex of the triangle ABC. It is vertex A. Now join this A, C. So here the portion ABC forms a triangle. So this is the required triangle. Now by using the scale, we have to measure the length of AC and AB, and when we add these two measurements, we get their sum is 13 centimeter. So in this way we have to construct the triangle when the sum of two sides is given. Here we have to measure the lengths of the line segment using the scale. Okay. Now we have to justify also how we can say that this construction of this triangle ABC is given here is the correct construction for the given problem. So let us justify it. So for justification here, as we have this point A, which is the point on the perpendicular bisector of this line segment PC. A lies on this perpendicular bisector PC, that meaning this PA and PC, PA and AC are the two equal line segments. AP and AC are equal. Now let us take the line segment BP. Now this BP, this line segment is the sum of the two parts BA and AP. So let us take this BA plus AP, that is equals to BP. Now full BP we have cut the arc for 13 centimeter. That means the length of the BP is 13 centimeter. So here we can place the value for BP is 13 centimeter. Now as we have seen this AP is equal to AC, so in place of AP we can write AC. So in the next step we get BA plus AC is equals to BP. Now put the value of BP, that is 13 centimeters. So here BA plus AC is 13 centimeters. So this proves that the sum of these two sides is accurately 13 centimeter, and by actual measurement using the scale also we have proved that the sum of these two sides equal to 13 centimeter. So this is the required triangle where the sum of two sides is 13 centimeter. Now one more way to justify this, we can take here a point. Let's take this point of intersection, point of this perpendicular to the line segment PC. If we place this point as O, so now we have to prove that the triangle POA and the triangle COA are the congruent triangles. So this triangle and this triangle, we will prove the triangles are congruent, as we know that this line is the perpendicular bisector. That means O to P and O to C are equal. So in these two triangles, OP is equals to OC, and OA is the common side. So we can write OA is equals to OA. That is the common line here. And third thing is, as this is the perpendicular bisector, that means angle POA and angle POA and the another angle COA are equal to 90 degree. So here, by RHS congruence rules, we can say these two triangles are congruent. And now if the triangles are congruent, then we can say this line segment PA and CA are also equal by CPCT. Then we write here that BA plus AP is equals to BP, and then these three steps will come out after the process where we prove that triangles are congruent, and by CPCT we can write this AP is equals to AC. In this way also we can justify, and in the 9th class also we have done with this, that the intersection point of the two line segments lies on the perpendicular bisector of this line segment. So here also directly we can write point A lies on the perpendicular bisector of BC. So when we have to construct the triangle, when the sum of two sides is given, in this way we have to construct the triangle and we have to justify also.